Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lil Red and I'm back with another video. So in today's video, I'm about to do a quick review. It is currently 8:06 and I have to be at work at 8:30. So I'm gonna do this review real quick, but don't look at my nose piercing because it's green as fuck. Yeah, we about to get on into it so I can hurry up to go to work. The product that we are gonna be using today is this new Nair's Prep and Smooth Face Hair Removal. As y'all know, I do have spots, so we're gonna try to go around them. Probably we'll just put them on there. Hopefully they don't burn nothing off because that should be burning the fuck out of your skin. But we about to try this. This is the hydrated with watermelon extract and hyaluronic acid. I do like watermelon on my skin and do moisturize and it makes my skin glow. So we're about to use it and it says removes facial hair and fuzz, smooths and exfoliates, dermatologist tested. I like when they say that because my skin is sensitive. This is what it look like. I always wanted to try this out, but I'm scared as fuck, y'all. I'm not gonna lie to you. This is so cute. So y'all opened it up. This is what it looked like. It has like a little, okay, you can see it coming out. Okay, it says put a thick layer on your skin. It says leave on for 5 minutes. I might not even leave it on for that damn long. I can smell this shit already, y'all. Hell no, what the hell did somebody get me into? Cause Lord, this stuff smells. Say I put a thick layer, so I'm about to put a thick layer on. Man, I hate Nair. But I hate hair too. And I don't want to shave my face because I feel like that stuff grows back. I don't know, it's just me. I hate hair on my face because it makes makeup looks weird as fuck, period. This shit smell like it's burning, y'all. Nair, I'ma come for you if you burn my skin on. I ain't playing. Yeah. Oh, not my eyebrows. Oh no. I just did them. Hopefully we can get this reviewing before I go to work because I don't want to be late because I just started work. And I'm going to tell y'all about that in another video where I work at. I have a bump right there. I'm just not going to put that on there because that does not seem safe. Y'all, it is burning. I'm gonna let it sit for like 5 or 10 minutes. It's already been 5 minutes. I already warmed my towel up. Now we're about to try it out and see if it come off. I don't know, y'all. I don't see none. Hold on. So y'all, I'm about to try my mustache because this where it be the hairiest. I think I do see some hair. But I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. Now my face is glowing. That's what I like about watermelon face products. I don't know, y'all. It does work, y'all. When you buy this product, make sure you leave it on for 10 minutes. I guess that's how long it should take you. Take off your hair on your face. So give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all.